Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change name on Gmail account. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, just go to your Gmail. Make sure your Gmail account is logged in. Now just click the top right, your profile icon, and click on manage your Google account. Now here you can see the second option is personal info. Click on it. Now in the basic info, here you can see name. Click on it. Here you can just change your name by clicking here this pen icon, and click on save. You can also change your nickname here by clicking the pen icon, and you can just give your nickname anything and just click on save. And this is how you can change nickname or name in Google account. So guys, that's how you can change name in Google account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.